Hey, it's Childish Gambino, homegirl dropping like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, what's me looking? I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches too. That should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. P-O-O all over me. My green is where it's supposed to be. You're greener than my grocery. This Asian dude that stole his girl and now he got that Coachy beef. My dick is like an accent mark. It's all about the over-ease. Hot like a parked car. I sound weird like nigga with a hard R. Fly like the logo on my cousin's 440. Eating Oreos like these white girls that blow me. Vodka for my ladies, whiskey for a grown man. Hanging in the islands looking for Earl like Toe Jam. I make the beat retarded, so I'm calling it a slow jam. Butcher and I know it, man. Kill beef, go ham. These rappers are afraid of them, cause I'm a beast bitch girl. And haters and get me know it's a call girl. You're my favorite rapper now, yeah, dude, I better be. Or you can fucking kiss my ass, human centipede. Fuck that, talk shit, start killing. Got goons like an arch villain. Come from the south, ain't got no accent, don't know why. So this rapper's child's play, I do my name like Princess Di. Yeah, they say they want the realness. Rap about my real life, told me I should just quit. First of all, you talk white. Second off, you talk like you haven't given up yet. Rap's that falling, yeah, you hate me, but you will respect. Play this for my cousin, now he can't even think straight. Black and white music, now nigga that's a mixtape. Shout out to my birds, they represent the realness. Shout out to Jimmy, no girl, my dick is in the building. I know you hate me cause your little cousin play me out. I like I'm so dirty, but wait, they be saying I'm sorry for the following. Chillin' with a Filipina at your local Dolly Tree. Yeah, I'm in her ass like side of me, so if you see my hand under the table, don't bother me. I don't talk soft, that's that other guy. I'm screaming what the fuck is up like I ain't seen sky. The shit I'm doing this year is sanity.